everyone, welcome back to the 12 Days of Soapmas. Today I am going to be doing some Christmas crafts. Now these crafts are from questionable sources and we just thought it would be fun to give them a try and see if they work. So what I figure we will do is we will look at like the Christmas craft like hack video and then we'll try to recreate it. And we have 4 of them to do today. It's going to be so much fun. So for the first hack we have to use warm water. We're going to throw nail polish all around and then we're going to dip it. So this is like a technique lots of people like to use on their nails back in the day, and apparently according to these people you can do it on an ornament. We will see. And of course I will use none other than the Holo Taco nail polish range. It is the only nail polish that I use now. Christine put me on her PR list and now I'm hooked. I picked some colors that I felt looked very vintage Christmas. Let's get started. Is it warm? It has to be warm or it won't spread. Warmer bus. I think it's so the nail polish can spread and it won't goop up. Okay, I have my container of warm water. I have all my nail polish. I have a little plate to put the ornaments on. And then I have these mini glass ornaments. I just got mine from Walmart. And then of course, and then I have another angle that we're going to be shooting with so you can see all the nail polish spread around. I have also watched many nail polish videos of people doing this, and they always remove the skin around it so that it doesn't mess up the design when they pull the ornament out, or their fingernails in that case. So let's do kind of like traditional green and white, and we'll just start with 3 colors because I've never actually done this before, so I don't want to get too ambitious. First up, not milky white, and also like how much do I need to put in there? Just sink to the bottom. Incredible. Why do I have a feeling that I'm never going back on this Tupperware? Like, I think this is the end of this Tupperware. It's literally just going like straight to the bottom. Incredible. Okay, it's spreading. It's spreading a little now. Maybe I need to blow on it, like, yes, yes, the glitter one is doing so good. Whoa! Ah, look at it go! Yay! Okay, let's see. Let's do some more white, because those, like, just left the building. Maybe now that there is, like, some glitter everywhere, the white will just follow suit. Yeah! Yeah! I'm trying to go fast, too. I don't know if that actually, like, affects the everything, but we're gonna see. Okay, now we'll do a little bit more green, and then I'll try to dip the first one. Oh my gosh, the white is just leaving. It's having a cow. Here you go, white. Have some more green. I feel like this is gonna look so cool. Everything is in. Here goes nothing. We're just gonna try. So here goes. Straight in. Did it work? Oh! Oh, it's bobbing. It's bobbining time. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, let me just remove everything. Oh, wait, did I pull it off? Oh, no. Okay, so it kind of worked. It kind of didn't, but it kind of did. It definitely could be worse, but also could definitely be better. The green looks really good, though, so maybe I'll try more with that green and just try some other colors. Let's go for something darker, shall we? Add in some I'm Over brew. Ooh, now that popped off right away. I think the cream polishes are the way to go. It looks like they know what the assignment is. Oh, okay. All right, pinky time. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I think the more the better probably. Okay, dip number 2. Here we go. Ooh. Look, I'm not at all not pleased because that looks way better than the other one. It does make me want to just, if I could, like, yeah. Makes you want to just tap it. Like, what if I just tap it? Dip number 2, working so much better. This also makes me wonder if I'm waiting too long. Like if I'm playing around and I really just need to dip it and go. For this third one, I'm going to try it with Scientific and Sonic Unicorn Skin. I'm only going to do 2 colors, and maybe that'll help me move faster and dip faster. Like, maybe I'll only put this in, like, 2 times. Like, put some in, then put in the other one, and then dip. Like, I think I'm waiting too long. I'll try to go fast. Okay, I took like 30 seconds to set this one up, and we'll see if maybe that works better. Ooh! Here is the effect of number 3. I'm starting to kind of get the hang of this. We have now upgraded to an even bigger container so that I can push the little globes in further. I think that might help a lot. Here's what we discovered after watching multiple YouTube videos was that our water was too warm. They said in the video to use warm water. This is like room temperature, leaning on the cold side, and everything is actually spreading like it's supposed to, so don't use warm water. That's what we've learned today. Okay, let's try it now. Now that we have a deeper container, the water is colder, I think this is gonna work better or worse. I'm gonna give this one more go before I give up. There is nothing more satisfying than watching this unicorn skin just fizzle out and get the whole water sparkly, for real. I'm only doing 2 colors on this one because I haven't been successful with even 1 color, so why would I think I could do more than that? Here we go, one last time. And, oh, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna keep dipping because I have literally nothing to lose. Whoa! That one just spread while it was spreading while I was dipping. In my opinion, the last one that I dipped looked the best, but is it pretty and would I want this on my tree? Not necessarily. Now, this could be completely due to user error or my nail polish or a variety of things, but I will say it's probably for most people, unless you have like some skill in water marbling, not going to be something you can just pick up, do, and get great results from the very first try. This is going to take a little bit of mastery, and it may not be worth your time. Okay, let us watch the craft number 2 video. Okay, so you break a glass ornament. These people didn't even do it in a bag or anything, which is just insane. Then you put it in another ornament with Mod Podge, and that's supposed to look good. Okay. I also like when you see the finished ornament, it looks like they just took like gold tinsel or something and shook it up. It doesn't look like an ornament, but I guess we'll find out. Now, if you think for one flea-flopping minute that I'm about to shatter an ornament outside of a bag for the sake of accuracy, you're wrong. I am not about to take a risk like that. So, I'm going to put on some protective eyewear. I'm going to put this in a bag that I actually had soap in, so recycle, reuse. And I'm going to smash this ornament. Now, before I do, my friend Caroline got this ornament for me for this purpose, and I just want you to know that it says sun on it. And on the back it says, he'll hold your hand for a little while, but your heart forever. So, we're about to shatter some sentiments here. We'll put it in a bag. Why do I feel like I'm about to do something dangerous? Okay, well, here goes nothing. Honestly, I'm gonna secure that so it doesn't roll away. I'm so nervous. Oh, that's anticlimactic. Oh. I don't know if this is just the mom in me, but when I heard that shatter, I was like, who broke something? Hiya! Pent up angst for all the people who said that I could never make a living doing soap making and YouTube videos. Hiya! Now I shall wear some special gloves so that I do not wreck my fingers pulling glass shards out of a bag. Because I did not have a funnel to fit this globe size, I looked around and ta-da! The 𝐒𝐤 808 piping tip works literally perfectly. Let me just reach into the bag of dangerous mystery and shake it into my globe. And now for the Mod Podge. We'll just glub some of that right in there. And now I'm just gonna shake it around. Hopefully this is adequately covered. Okay, and that looks about right. That looks about how they had it, you know? I'm seeing it. Looks kind of like terrazzo in there. Check it out. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty much just like the video. I'll go ahead and whip up one more, and then I have no idea how long it's gonna take to dry. Maybe we let it sit for 24 hours or something? In the next one, I think I'm gonna try to put more of the glass shards, and I'm also going to crush them up a little more because I still have too many pieces that are too big to fit. Also, I just want y'all to know that the inside of Christmas ornaments smells weird. I have filled this bauble probably 3 times as much as I filled the other bauble, so now we're gonna see if that makes any sort of difference or if it doesn't matter at all. Okay, I have shook this up quite well, and I hope that this one works better than the other one because I think this is gonna look really cool. It does kind of have a terrazzo look to it, and I think that's because of the navy color of the ornament I smashed up. So potentially, I think you could probably do this with pink, gold, silver, green, whatever colors you wanted, and that would look really awesome. I don't know though, we'll have to see. We'll set them aside to dry. Time for Christmas craft number 3. Let's watch the video. Okay, so take a napkin, remove the back of it so you have the pretty pattern, roll it up on a candle, heat the candle, paper fuses with the wax, and oh my gosh, a cute Christmas candle. So I have snipped what I think will be like the perfect fit for the candle. I've tried to get rid of anything that I think won't look good on this. And we have a Christmas shape. So I think we get brownie points for that. We didn't want to use just a regular pillar candle. No. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Just like so. Okay, so now I'll remove the paper backing. Yes, okay. Not tearing the paper might prove a challenge for some. And by some, I mean me. Gently does it, Catherine. Gently does it. I really feel like this is gonna work. I really do. I have high hopes. Now, let's fit her up. Fit her up, I said. Now, they used a hairdryer, but I happen to have a heat gun, so I'm gonna use that instead. Here goes nothing. It's working. It's working. Okay, I've got the napkin on the candle, and I'm gonna snip the excess off that I have back here. I'm also gonna snip around the bottom. All right, so at the end of everything, it did stick. I think this actually would have been greatly improved by having a truly like cylindrical candle, because then when it comes to having the seam in the back, it might actually be straight, whereas I was trying to like maneuver everything so it would stay. But it absolutely does stick on there. The only other thing worth mentioning is that cleaning up the bottom is kind of a pain. It would be something that would require like very, very tiny scissors to just get like that perfect look. But did we do it? Yes, we did. It is indeed a napkin on a candle. What do I need all of these hangers for? I'm so glad you asked. Let's do craft number 4. And all of a sudden a perfect star to hang on the front of your home. Okay. That was a 6-second video that told me precious little besides clothes hangers can equal big fat snowflake on the front of your house. So that's what we're going with. Let's start with just 2. All right. Now, I believe we put them like this, and now in the very edge, like right here, I'm just gonna put hot glue and hopefully this sticks. Mash that down. Yes, melt the plastic. I wanna smell the fumes. And now, to make it aesthetic, I'm going to glue these two parts together because I think having that make like a complete unit will look better than them just flapping around. All right, for most of the points of contact, I've had at least a little bit of glue, and it does appear to be holding pretty strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this exact same thing with all of the rest of the hangers. And it honestly didn't take that long either, maybe 2 minutes? Okay, I have all of my hangers glued together. They feel pretty stable. I'm a little bit surprised. And so now I'm just gonna put like a long strip of hot glue down one side, and I'm just gonna mash them together and hope that works. It's a great craft. We've changed our mind. Last one. Oh no. My table. No. It's broken. No! Here I was thinking this was gonna be the perfect Christmas craft. It almost was. Foiled again. Okay, let me just try to get all of these pieces to cooperate. And I feel like part of this was my fault because I clearly, like, some of them are just shaped differently than others. And I don't know exactly how I did that. This isn't going exactly well. It was all fine until that very last one. And I think it's just like, you have to be very careful when you place them. Like, you kind of have to place them beforehand and then like maybe slide them in real quick and glue all the tip first and then glue the edges so that it fits perfectly. But as of right now, my dreams are being held together by copious amounts of hot glue. It's flimsy at best, but it does actually look really cool. Like if I had done this a little bit better, maybe even used a stronger glue, like instead of using hot glue, use like a glue cement or a Gorilla Glue, you would never know from far away that this was a clothes hanger thing. So while I cannot hang this because of my own shoddy workmanship, I can see this having potential to actually work and look really good. Right. So anyway, that was an adventure. Honestly, had a lot of fun. All of those crafts were fun to do. None of them turned out, I would say, beautifully, but it was still fun to try. And honestly, most impressed by the potential of that clothes hanger snowflake. I really do think, if done right, that would work well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Maybe leave us a comment down below. You can also go follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see more junk like this. And be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like trying out a silly Christmas craft or just making one you know works. I don't really care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye for now. Yeah.